Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the incredible roborock U5 robot vacuum with self-empty dock. This hands-free cleaning powerhouse is perfect for hard floors, carpets, and pet hair, and it's compatible with Alexa for easy voice activation. One of the standout features of the Q5 is the self-empty dock, which automatically empties the dustbin after each cleanup, so you don't have to worry about it for up to 7 weeks. That's right, 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning. The 2.5L dust bag can hold a ton of dirt, giving you ultimate convenience. But what really sets the Q5 apart is the PreciSense lidar navigation system, which creates extremely accurate maps of your home. You can even view these in 3D and add furniture and floor materials to virtually recreate your living space. Not to mention the powerful 2700 Pascal suction, which easily lifts debris and pet hair from floors and drags it out from deep inside carpets. The multi-plane floating main brush is perfect for deeper cleaning, even on uneven surfaces, and is resistant to hair tangles, perfect for homes with pets. With its high-capacity battery and 470 ml dustbin, the Q5 keeps going for longer, easily tackling most homes in one clean. So if you're looking for a robot vacuum that's convenient, powerful, and hands-free, look no further than the roborock U5. And the best part? You can purchase it using the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this amazing cleaning solution for your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.